All right, welcome to American Federal Government. I am Ken Hicks. I'm the department head for history and political science, and I am, in some instances, going to be your instructor, and in other instances, I am the primary course designer. Of course, this course is required for all, it's part of our general education requirement, so it's required of all majors, required of anyone that's seeking an associate's or a bachelor's degree here at RSU or frankly in the state. So we want you to be able to do four basic things. Having taken the course successfully, we expect you to be able to understand the political institutions of American federal government, explain the history and major social trends of family, education, politics, economics, or religious institutions, analyze major political trends, events, and personalities, evaluate evaluate political systems and processes. There is one text required for this class. It is Ginsburg, Lowy, Ware, Spitzer, uh, We the People, the 12th Oklahoma Essentials Edition. That contains a 15th chapter, which includes a chapter from two of my RSU colleagues on state and local government with a lot of information on Oklahoma. In terms of the basic requirements, there's a reading requirement worth 160 points. You're going to be broken up into teams. You're going to be working on study guides, selected portions of study guides, and you'll be submitting them as a team. You'll also be participating in Zoom conferences with me as a team. Individually, you're expected to do all the work related to getting prepared to take quizzes and examinations. That's worth 160 points. There are forums worth 160 points that again are worth 20 points a week. The Zoom portion of the participation part of that will be taken up with that, and then you're also expected to make individual contributions. And there are a set of rules which I encourage you to look at and follow, and we can talk about over the course of the semester. Quizzes are worth 120 points. They will generally cover two chapters, most of them. That's worth 15 points each week. There is a midterm and a final examination worth 100 points each, so for 200 total points. And then there are two short writing assignments worth 80 points each for 160 points. That means there are 800 total points in the class, and you need to earn at least 720 points to earn an A in the class. And I hope you all want to earn an A in the class. Let's see, a big part of that is going to be submitting assignments on time. There are drop boxes that you should be able to identify for the study guides. I hope that I'll be talking with you individually on the course of the first week. Hopefully through the Zoom conference we'll get all that set up. Failing that, I'll be kind of talking with you individually about what the requirements are. Again, a big part of this is going to be getting a lot of this stuff it's about a fifth at a time, and you're going to do it week by week. So a lot of this is group work. A lot of this is individual work that you're expected to do. Deadlines are very important. Get them in on time. If you can't, let me know. I am generally pretty forgiving until we get towards the end of the semester, in which case then we have to make some kind of more serious accommodation. In order to get an A, you have to work hard in the class. In order to pass the class, you have to try. I'm not going to let you fail arbitrarily. You have to work at it to fail as well. Academic misconduct, don't cheat. That's a good rule of thumb in life. Generally speaking, refer to the Student Code of Conduct, which can be found on the RSU website. Plagiarism is the main thing we have to worry about. I have study guides that take you to tools where you can learn how to paraphrase and use your own words. Students with disabilities, again, I have a statement on my syllabus. Please, if you have a difficulty, let me know about it, and I will find an accommodation for you. My teaching philosophy is Socratic. I like to teach by asking questions. I like to hear what you have to say. I like to discuss complex issues and contemporary events within the framework of the textbook so that you better understand what you're reading. About the instructor, my name is Ken Hicks. I received my Doctor of Philosophy and Political Theory from the University of South Carolina in 1998. I have been at Rogers State University since the fall of 1999, which means I'm entering my 22nd year at RSU. I've been department head of history and political science for the past, since 2008, so that's 12 years or so. Let's see, the course syllabus, if you look at the taskbar that's on the course website, there is a separate course syllabus where you'll have both a online version, a web-based version, and a document so that you can pull it off and download it if you want to refer to it. Please read the syllabus carefully. If you have a copy of the syllabus, that will be helpful to you. The Getting Started quiz is, draws directly from the syllabus, and that's basically, again, giving you a leg up on your quiz score if you ace that. So, welcome to the class. I hope you learn a lot, and ultimately, I hope you enjoy the class. I don't think this should be a dry or esoteric exercise. I think we should all recognize that even if we're not interested in politics, politics is interested in us.